Welcome everyone, I'm Crystal Schelle, your host for Popcorn Picks, as we preview what's playing in theaters this week. Grab a bag of popcorn, a drink, and I have a seat for you as we watch what's playing. So sit back and relax and enjoy the show.
I'm not gonna dress it up. Turkeys are dumb. Really dumb.
You don't get it! They're fattening us up to eat us!
Hey, corn! See you later, Reggie!
From the Academy Award-winning producer of Shrek.
We came to this farm for my favorite presidential tradition. Tarting the Thanksgiving turkey.
And a director of Horton Hears a Who.
Don't worry, you're safe. I'm tired now. This is your new home!
Pizza! Yeah!
Does it get any better than this?
Hello, soldier. Whatever you do, do not make a sound. Shh. You've been recruited for a top-secret mission. What are you talking about? We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu.
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here. He totally gets it. Look, see how he's nodding? A map!
They aren't gonna just write time machine on the... of course they are.
Patrol, we have a contaminant.
Copy that. What type, Agent?
Turkey, sir. How do we address it?
With cranberry sauce.
But seriously.
Let's go! Wait! Take us to the first Thanksgiving. Our mission is not to save 10 turkeys,
Welcome to our home.
but all of them.
Oh, she wants you to throw up some worms into her mouth.
What?
I will get those birds.
Every last one of them! Enemy approaching. You must follow me blindly.
For the flock!
What's your plan for getting in?
I'm going to use my incredibly toned pecs and buttocks to throw you over the wall. Go!
Funny, right?
Free birds.
I'm sick of you throwing me around. You see this line? Do not come into my personal space. Did you not see the line? Because I was pretty clear.
When the aliens first invaded, they nearly destroyed us. They will be back. There's greatness in you, Ender. The world needs you. You were bred for this. You see things in a way we can't. You alone can understand the enemy. You will be the one to save mankind.
Unless we act now, Earth will be annihilated.
We're out of time.
He's not ready.
You're never ready. Go when you're ready enough.
Track them from below the ice. Shoot straight. Stay calm. Here we go.
I've never seen anyone do that.
We should tell him the truth.
Why?
When it's over, what will be left of the boy?
What does it matter if there's nothing left at all?
If you don't try, then we will all be lost.
I'll do everything I can to win this war.
If you succeed, you will be remembered as a hero.
He's abandoning his entire fleet.
He's in command. There's no stopping him now.
In 3, 2, 1, now!
Hello? Hey, it's Billy.
Billy!
How you doing? What's going on? I got something important here, all right? I'm getting married.
What? To that young lady who's half your age?
Hey, wait a minute. She's almost 32.
I have a hemorrhoid that's almost 32.
So we're gonna have a bachelor party in Vegas.
I can't smoke, drink, eat salt, or stay out past 9, but...
All right, I love it.
Pop, it's sweltering in here. Maybe I should just stay home.
No, you don't have to do that.
Your only job is to relax.
What the hell are you doing here?
Billy is tying him up in Vegas.
If you think I'm going to Vegas from that selfish bastard, you're dumber than that hat.
Welcome to Las Vegas.
Relax. It's not like you invented it.
How many times I gotta say I'm sorry?
You can't say it enough.
So you boys did it worse.
Hey, knock it off! I'm gonna go find some damn water and take all my damn pills. Then we're gonna get this damn party started.
It's this man's bachelor party!
You know who's supposed to be staying here this weekend? 50. P50? No, 50. 50 people in there? 50 Cent, 50 Curtis Jackson, the rapper. Oh, yeah, from the Jackson 5.
There are girls in every bar. I want all of you to get in trouble.
Which one of you is Sam Harris?
You guys, the best thing ever happened to me.
Tonight, we're gonna party like it's 1959.
Bring out the bottles! I'm getting married. She's your age.
You must be rich.
Yeah, but you should be talking to me. Come on.
Hey, buddy, maybe you had too much to drink, huh?
If I want your opinion, I'll just beat it out of you.
Sure.
No one calls us names
Except
except...
for us.
It's gonna be poppin'.
I owe you this one.
Whoa! Wow!
We got a couple of unresolved issues.
Bring out the bottles!
Oh, I haven't been this hungover in 30 years. Everything's spinning. Oh, no.
Let's go. Bring out the bottle.
Join us next week for another episode of Popcorn PIX.